Okay, so good shawarma and meat spots.
Don't worry, be happy. This kebab is yummy, yummy.
Shawarma? You can use this time to have shawarma right now.
I had shawarma yesterday.
Do you want shawarma?
I love it. There's a lot of pork here. There's a lot of pork
That's
here.
why I came all the way over here too. Because I went to different restaurants and they were serving pork.
This one no pork. Halal, oh excellent.
What is this?
Hello, what's that one? What's that one?
This is a kebab wrap.
Okay, kebab. Oh, kebab wrap.
Yes, sir.
This one is kebab. Ara, what of this one shawarma?
Yeah.
This is
This also one.
this one.
Yeah. This one. This one.
Which is better? Which one should I have?
This is better. Yeah, bro. Right?
No, I don't. I just the meat.
This is bowl rice. Okay? Rice bowl.
Okay, rice is here. What of this?
Her gün akşam böyle saat 11
So this is salad and meat only.
Burada
Yeah, salad and meat only. Oh, perfect, perfect. Oh, thank you. No, we are in Japan, so we use chopstick.
Yeah, you're right.
In Japan, yeah. Thank you. No, I just got this one that looks like suya. So meat, yeah, meat, a lot of meat. Like when you get this, you just roll it out, clear out this. Then you hold this way.
benim ailemin çok kişi var Almanya'da.
Yeah, hold this way.
Ma'am, who's that
Reklam var mı?
Spicy?
Spicy benim idea, ma'am. Biz daha sonra yine konuşuruz. It's good, yummy, yummy.
Mine has, his has more chicken than me.
Okay, ma'am, also
I'm very
for
picky.
many chicken.
Okay.
Saat kaç? Hani saat kaçta insanlar bizim evde? Ben burası hep böyle.
This is
Burada akşam böyle bir kafile gelir, gider, tam gidecek, sabah yeni kafile gelir. İyi yani. Tabii.
I'm also going to have shawarma, but let me finish this.
Good. Ma'am. Hi, this is for you, ma'am. You pay all together?
This is for some.
Yalama İstanbul. Oh, it is done.
Wow, you love it? Yummy?
Ama buraya abi daha
Awesome.
Burası daha güzel. Aynen.
Awesome. You love it.
Abi sos acı olur.
So I'm having this, and it's really cute. I love it. So more like chicken suya. It's really nice.
Soğan,
Abi valla kusura bakma ya.
ne vardı?
Awesome. Somebody just
Bro,
gifted me a
sos
coke.
çıkayım.
That's my friend there.
Ama karay şu karay.
Gifted me a coke. Wow. Thanks to him. Thanks to him. So this is my little coke with my kebab. Gotta enjoy it together. So I've tried some beef chicken kebab in Shinjuku here, and it was absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna have to try the shawarma since shawarma is the best pick for everybody here. So brother, this one you gave me is super. So now I want to test the shawarma.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I would love the shawarma.
Sir, thank you.
Give me the shawarma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is really good. I love the way he cuts it. He's so skillful. He cuts it really nice. Brother, in the shawarma, plenty meat. Good meat for me in the
You
shawarma.
want me?
No, shawarma, I want shawarma.
You want one more?
One shawarma, one more.
Sir, can you wait just 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. I'll wait for you. You have other people here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so I'll be waiting for my shawarma and hopefully to enjoy it with this coke that was gifted to me by a friend here. People are really nice here.